how good are your keywords, really? If you're struggling to get impressions on Pinterest or you want to grow your account, keywords are the answer. Whether you have no idea what I'm talking about or you're looking to improve your current strategy, I promise you this video will help you find the right keywords without feeling overwhelmed or frustrated. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online sellers, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. Today, we're talking about Pinterest keywords, specifically how to find the right keywords and where to put them. That way, you can get your content in front of the right people, increase impressions, drive more website clicks, and grow your revenue. Pinterest doesn't have to be hard, and this video is going to show you exactly how to do it. If that sounds like your vibe and you're looking to grow on Pinterest, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. I share weekly content to help you save time and make more money online. So why do keywords matter? Pinterest isn't just a place for pretty pictures. It's a visual search engine. That means keywords are essential for helping the algorithm understand your content and getting it in front of the right people. Most Pinterest users aren't scrolling aimlessly. They come with intent. They're actively searching for ideas, answers, or inspiration, like 30-minute dinners, or minimalist home office ideas, or fall nail trends for 2025. When you use strong keywords in your content, you're making it easier for Pinterest to connect your pins with their searches. That's how you can boost impressions, drive clicks, and ultimately increase your chances of making money online. Even for people who are just casually browsing, Pinterest uses their search history to curate a personalized feed. So if your content is keyworded well, it means it's more likely to show up in front of the right people, even when someone isn't directly searching for it. So the bottom line, Pinterest keywords aren't just helpful, it's how the platform works. And when you use them strategically, they act like a bridge between your content and the people who are looking for it. How to find the right keywords. Finding Pinterest keywords is actually way easier than you think. You don't need any fancy tools to get started. My number one method is to use the Pinterest search bar. This is the fastest and most reliable way to find keywords. Just start typing a phrase into the search bar that relates to your niche. For example, healthy dinners. Pinterest will automatically suggest popular searches like healthy dinner recipes, healthy dinners for kids, healthy dinner ideas for weight loss, quick healthy dinner meals. These are real search terms that people are actively using, and they make excellent keywords. Next, explore the filters and the buttons. Once you click on a keyword, Pinterest will often show small, colored buttons just below the search bar with more keyword ideas like easy or vegan or family friendly. Use these button ideas as more keywords. Another method is to scroll through the feed to see related searches. As you scroll through your page, Pinterest will usually show related searches near the middle or bottom. These are additional keyword phrases that people are searching for, and they often uncover angles that you may not have thought of. Another method is Pinterest Trends. If you want to dig deeper, check out trends.pinterest.com. This is especially helpful for seasonal content like holiday desserts or spring capsule wardrobe ideas. Pinterest Trends also gives the option to look for regional trends. So if you're targeting a specific country, this is exactly where you want to look. You don't need to use all of these methods every time, but if you want your pins to reach more people, take 5 minutes to explore what your audience is already searching for. So, where do you put these keywords? Now that you've found the right keywords, here's where to actually use them so Pinterest knows what your content is about and shares it with the right people. You're going to want to use your keywords in your profile, also called your page. This is like your storefront. It's where everything begins. You'll want to use keywords naturally in your name and your bio. For example, instead of just saying Sarah, maybe you say Sarah, vegan recipes and healthy meal ideas. And in your description or your bio, this is where you can share who you are, who you help, and how you help them. For example, I share vegan recipes, 30-minute meals, and healthy, family-friendly dinners for busy moms who want to cook with ease. As you can see, we put a lot of keywords in there. This helps Pinterest understand your niche from the beginning and helps you to show up in the right searches. After putting keywords in your name and bio, you'll want to put them in your boards too, both your board titles and your board descriptions. So boards are like folders where you organize your pins by topic, and they're keyword gold mines. You're going to want to use clear, descriptive board names like kid-friendly vegan snacks or 30-minute plant-based dinners. You'll also want to write short, keyword-rich board descriptions to explain what people will find inside. Boards help Pinterest categorize your content correctly and connect your pins to more relevant searches. Finally, another place to put keywords is your pins, and this is where keywords matter most. Use them in your pin title, your pin description, and the text on the screen. The more clear and consistent your keywords are, the more likely Pinterest is to show your content to the right users. So how do you track and manage your keywords? You don't need a fancy tool to stay organized, just a simple system to keep your keyword strategy clear and consistent. I recommend a Google Sheet. Keep a list of your top 10, 20, maybe 30 keywords so you can reference them easily. Study your analytics maybe once a month or once a quarter and adjust as needed. If something seasonal is coming up, add a few new keywords and reference this as you're creating your pins. And if keyword tracking, writing, and pin creation feels like a bit too much, tools like Pin Generator can save you serious time. It auto-pulls text from your blog post and helps you insert keywords naturally while building optimized pins super fast. You'll still have full control, but the process becomes faster, smarter, and a whole lot easier. So, how strong is your keyword strategy now? If you're still unsure where to begin, don't overthink it. Check the Pinterest search bar and start with 5 core keywords that reflect your brand and build from there. If you want help turning these keywords into scroll-stopping, optimized pins, check out Pin Generator for free. It's one of my favorite tools for a reason. And if this video helped you get started with Pinterest keyword research, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any future tutorials like this. I'm Max. I share weekly Pinterest videos to help you get your content seen without burning out. I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.